Now we're going to look at how the shapes are translated to the images and how do the coordinates change. Okay, so in this first example translation, we have this coordinate grid over here. We have the shape. So this is the shape here. Just put that in there, and then you can see that it was translated, and then it formed the image. There we go, that's our image there. So let's just take that stuff back away. So it says explain how shape is translated from A to form, in ABC to form A prime, B prime, C prime. And you're wondering, what do you mean by prime? Well, you'll notice that in the image, the same coordinates are marked there. So we have A, B, and C in the shape, and then we also have an A, a B, and a C in the image. But you'll notice that the coordinates for the ABC have this little kind of tick mark here at the top there, and that's going to show us that those are the changed coordinates, and the name for it is prime. So each of those coordinates is now A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay. So it's just the way of us designated and keeping organized with the different coordinates on that grid. So let's explain how the shape is translated in ABC to form ABC prime. So we're going to look at it. So all you have to do is figure out, well, let's go from our A coordinate here, and what did we do to get over to A prime right over here, okay? And remember, we always have to go on the X, and then we do the Y afterwards. So you'll notice here that for the A to get over to this part here, it had to go on the X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm just going to mark that down. So that was 5 there, over, and then it went. How many times did it go down on the Y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then it went to -6 there. So it says explain how we did it. So in our answer, I'm going to say, this is how we're going to write it, triangle, and you just make this little triangle sign, triangle, ABC is translated, what did we say, 5 units to the right and 6 units down. Okay? So let me just actually fix that there. There we go. So we can say triangle ABC is translated 5 units to the right and 6 units down. Okay? So that's how we explain the movement of the shape to the image. Okay? The second question asks us, it says, well, what are the new coordinates A prime, B prime, C prime for the image? Okay? So now all we have to do is go over to the ABC prime triangle, and we're going to do those coordinates. So let's look at coordinate A prime. So on the x-axis it goes 1, 2, 3. So it's a 3, and it goes down 1, so it's a -1. So A prime is 3, -1. Let's go to B prime. It goes it's 7 on the x-axis, and then -1, 2, 3, and then a -3. And then on C prime, it doesn't go left or right from the origin, so it's 0, and then -5 on the Y. So for the coordinates, here's all the ordered pairs. Okay? That's how you write them.